Are you feeling a little bit overwhelmed? This roll-on recipe that we're gonna show you how to make is made just for days like that.
You are gonna love this Let's Be Frank essential oil roll-on. Let's make it. To make it, grab your essential oil monthly recipe box from Simply Earth. Grab your labels, because you get a super cute one. Grab your recipe card and your essential oils. For this blend, we are going to use Tranquility and frankincense essential oils. And from your big bonus box,
You are going to want to grab one of your 10 milliliter roll-on bottles.
and fractionated coconut oil. Let's get making. All right, so we have our roll-on here. We're going to just unscrew the cap and then pop off this roller bottle top. Add a funnel, and we're gonna add our essential oils.
Okay.
We're going to use 4 drops of Tranquility and 2 drops of frankincense. Give that a little bit of a swirl to mix it. Then we're gonna fill it up the rest of the way with coconut oil. The coconut oil is going to dilute the essential oils so that they are safe to put on our skin. Otherwise, essential oils are too concentrated and are likely to be irritating. We'll put that cap back on and we'll shake it really well to make sure the essential oils get diluted throughout the oil. Add a label and you're ready to go. How you feeling?
A little bit less overwhelmed.
Ready to be frank. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists with Simply Earth. We love teaching people how to use essential oils.
And don't forget to go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button. See you later.
Found it. There's so many. Okay, so
That was good.
you just grab it.
Found it. There's so many of them.
Okay.